Hi guys, today we will learn how to name farm animals. Let's start. Cow, vaca. Repeat with me. Cow. Hen, gallina. Repeat with me. Hen. Horse, caballo. Repeat with me. Horse. Pig, cerdo. Repeat with me. Pig. Duck, pato. Repeat with me. Duck. Chicken, pollito. Repeat with me. Chicken. Goat, cabra. Repeat with me. Goat. Rabbit, conejo. Repeat with me. Rabbit. Sheep, oveja. Repeat with me. Sheep. Donkey, burro. Repeat with me. Donkey. Let's review what we learned. Repasemos lo que aprendimos. What animals are these? Cow and horse. What animals are these? Hen and chicken. What animals are these? Rabbit and duck. What animals are these? Goat and pig. What animals are these? Sheep and donkey. Thank you.